नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। एज एवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the risk transfer and risk pooling and the purchase and need of insurance. So let us start now. Risk transfer, and when your purchase insurance and insure agrees and to identify or secure your agents and your legal and responsibility for actions and medical professional, and you pay to certain amount of specified losses, and in exchange for a premium and bill and monthly and currently and semi-annually or annually, and you have convert. And the risk pooling and utilize the risk and pooling by the grouping and large number of physicians and together and to minimize the cost or impact of the highest risk and physicians and attemptable by the insuring and peoples who have similar exposures. And at through risk pooling is a fundamental concept of insurance and particularly health insurance. It's silently and less and entertaining for the professional and liability insurance. And risk pooling allows the higher cost of the riskers and the physicians to be offset and by the relevantly and lower cost of the pay and physicians with less and exposure an entire and in our plan and overall within the premium rating category. And in general, the larger the risk pool, the more predictable and stable the premiums can be. Now, so let's discuss purchase of the insurance. There are least two reasons and why insurance is the purchase, and the first and very first and most important is the for and protections are agents loss from and some categories and the events and the car accidents and in illness and or in journeys of death and can lead to the serious and financial consequences. And the insurance help to the provide and protection agents and these financial losses. And other reasons for purchasing insurance is that some insurance is required by law in can honored are required to the purchase an automobile insurance. You must provide you insurance and informations when registering a car, number of insurance and no registrations, and it as simple as that. And purchasing insurance is no and similar matter. An insurance is a contract between the insurance company and you under which and you agree to pay for insurance and called insurance premiums. And the insurance and companies and agrees to pay for losses and under certain and carefully defined circumstances. And these are many factors and that influence and the price that you pay for insurance. And in this module and we will discuss these factors to help and you get the best protections for your insurance dollars. Needs of insurance. Life of everyone is full uncertainties and nobody knows and what is going and happen in next moment, and this element of unknown and situation always and hundreds around the mind of a person and keep him and worried to things as to what and will happen in future in case of any